Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create realistic talking AI avatar. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's video, we're going to use HeyGen AI. So first of all, you can visit this website, app.heygen.com, and then you can sign into this website with your Google account, and you can click on create video here and choose the aspect ratio that you want to apply to your video. Either you want to choose portrait or landscape, and for me, I'm just going to choose this landscape video. Okay, and this is the previous avatar I applied. And then if you want to select the avatar, you can click on this menu, and these are the avatar that you can use. And I'm going to replace the avatar. I'm going to choose this one, guys. Okay, it's free. And then you can choose the voice. Okay, I'm just going to choose this voice, and you can customize the speed and also the volume and also accent. Okay, and then you can type your script here. And for the script, I have already asked ChatGPT to create a script for me, and I'm going to paste the script here, and you can click on generate to generate the video. But before it, you can change the background here and select elements, and I'm going to click on generate. Okay, and then we can click on submit, and then you just need to wait for the video to be generated. You need to wait until 100%. And I think I need to pause my video, and I'll be right back if the video is completed. Okay, and now my video is ready, and I'm going to play it, guys. Okay, wait. And this is how the video looks like.
Climate change is one of the greatest challenges of our time, driven mainly by human activities such as burning fossil fuels.
Okay, and if you want to download it, just click on this download icon, and then you can click on download, and the video will be saved to your device. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!